Hi, my name's Brooke, and today I'll show how to use logistic regression with the ggplot package. The response variable is maternal death, and 0 is no, 1 is yes, and then some of its predictors are age of the mother, the amount of doctor visits she had before the delivery, and if she's had any miscarriages. So as you can see, we'll first specify ggplot and what data frame we're going to use. Mine's just called data frame. And then AES tells us to map which variables to which visual property. So X is going to be for age, Y is going to be death. Geom_point says that I want to use a scatter plot over like a histogram or something. Alpha specifies the fill of the color, or fill of the points, and then color purple. And then let's see, stat smooth gives me the type of method for creating the fitted line, the smooth means. The formula option can tell you which type of formula to use. I just used fit y by x. Standard error here says I do not want standard errors around the line, and full range is false, saying that I just want it to fit the data, not the whole plot. This is basically just method args, basically specifying that the response, I'm fitting a binomial model, and this line is going to be blue. And then again, you can label the y-axis maternal death with y lab, and then x lab for mother's age. So let's run this and see how it works. So as you can see, the line's blue. These colors are purple at a 0.5 opacity fill, different labels, and yeah, it looks like death, as the age increases, you can predict death to be higher. So now we can do this with doctor's visits. As you can see, I decided to specify true for a standard error around the line, different colors. I chose to have the full range this time instead of just fitting the points, and to have different labels also. And I decided to have the fill of the points be darker than just 0.5. And then this last one, you can see again the differences. I decided not to do a 95% bound along the line. I have different dot colors, different labels, and yes, that is all there is to it, and you can kind of read and interpret this as you wish, but do remember that I made up this data, so it's not actually true. Thanks, bye.